In today's video, I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process to raise a support ticket using Salesforce. This tutorial is designed to help you effectively navigate the help.salesforce.com platform, ensuring you can quickly and efficiently create a support ticket when you encounter any issues. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and head over to help.salesforce.com. This is the main hub for Salesforce support, where you can find a variety of resources and tools to assist you with any problems you might face. Once you're on the site, take a moment to look around if you're unfamiliar. You'll notice there are plenty of helpful articles and FAQs that might already hold the answer to your questions. However, if you need more personalized help, you'll want to raise a support ticket. Now let's walk through the process of starting a ticket. Within the helpsalesforce.com site, look for the section that allows you to submit or raise a ticket. This is typically prominently displayed on the home page, often with a button or link that says something like Submit a Case or New Support Ticket. Click on that to begin. If prompted, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account, as you'll need the relevant credentials to proceed with creating a ticket. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. It ensures that the system can pull up your account details and expedite the help process. Once you've accessed the support ticket page, take a moment to gather all the necessary information related to the issue you're facing. This might include error messages, screenshots, or any other relevant documentation that can assist the support team in understanding and resolving your problem more effectively. When you're prepared with this information, proceed by filling out the form provided. Be as detailed as possible when describing the issue, including when you first noticed it, how it's affecting your work, and any steps you've already tried to fix it. Double-check all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Mistakes or missing details could delay the resolution of your issue. Once everything looks good and you're confident all details are in place, go ahead and submit the ticket. You should receive a confirmation that your request has been submitted, along with a case number. Be sure to note this number down, as it will be crucial for tracking the progress of your support request. And there you have it. You've successfully raised a ticket through Salesforce's support system. Keep an eye on your email or return to help.salesforce.com to check for updates on your case. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you.